I really love verbs, and there is only one thing better than one verb, and that's two verbs. But did you know that if you use one verb after another verb, you need to know whether to use the gerund or the infinitive? I adore watching Smash English.
Watching is a gerund.
I would like to watch more Smash English.
To watch is an infinitive.
But for some verbs you can use both, either the gerund or the infinitive. However, the meaning changes, and that's a terrible thing. So let's look at every single example you need to know for the B2 First Cambridge exam. My name is Toby, this is Smash English, and here is everything you need to know about using the gerund or the infinitive for the B2 First Cambridge exam.
Have you got medical problems?
Yes, I do.
Do you need help?
Please somebody help me.
Well, don't you worry, because Duke is here.
Dr. Duke, because Duke is a doctor.
Called Duke. Yes, Dr. Duke will see you now.
Whoa.
Hello. What is the problem?
Yeah, all right, mate. I'm always waking up in the morning with a terrible headache, and I don't know why. Please help me, Dr. Duke.
Well, how much do you drink, Bruce?
Oh, you know what, Duke? I drink a lot. Even more so now that Alessio from Italy and Alexandra from Poland have bought beers for me. Oh, these are my favourite subscribers. Yes, that's right. Alexandra from Poland and Alessio from Italy supported the channel by buying beers for Bruce. B2 courses are expensive, Smash English is free, and Toby is poor. Thanks a lot. Please. Bye.
Well, Bruce, I regret to inform you that the alcohol is the problem.
Oh, seriously? I regret drinking all that beer now, but Dr. Duke, I can't give up drinking. I can't do it. What should I do?
Oh, that's easy. I have just the treatment. Oh, yes!
Oh, Duke, you bloody idiot. What are you doing? I dropped my beer.
Yes, exactly. That is the science. Now you cannot hold your beer. Dr. Duke always follows the science.
Thanks, Dr. Duke. It's very good service, actually.
Wow. Here we have two forms of the verb regret. One is followed by to plus infinitive, and the other is followed by the gerund. Can you spot the difference in meaning? We use regret with to plus infinitive when we want to give someone bad news. For example, I regret to say that I will not be accepting the position. I regret to inform you that I have lost your pet pig. We use regret with the gerund to talk about things we did in the past that now we think were bad things to do. For example, I regret visiting Dr. Duke. This means I did visit Dr. Duke, but now I realise that was a terrible thing to do. Great!
Oh, yes, come in.
Hi, Dr. Duke. I have a problem. I'm pregnant. Oh, for goodness sake, what is this?
That's not a problem, Monica. That's a little miracle. Dr. Duke loves children.
Yeah, I know. I love my baby, Dr. Duke, but I don't know what to do.
Well, do you drink?
Well, you know, a little bit sometimes. Like, if I'm with my girls and we're partying, then sure, I'll have a little bit.
No, Monica, you must stop to drink.
Okay, so if I'm partying, I need to stop to drink, yeah?
Yeah, I think that's what it says, Monica. In the book of science, yeah, you must stop to drink.
Okay, great. Thanks, Dr. Duke.
No problem, Monica. Bye.
Oh, wait a moment, I need to stop to drink. I'm doing this for my baby. Duke, why is Monica drinking? She's pregnant.
Toby, no, I told her to stop to drink.
Oh, you idiot. You meant stop drinking, not stop to drink. Jesus.
Oh, whoops.
This is a big mistake, so pay attention. If you stop to do something, it means you stop something you are already doing to do something else. The to plus infinitive here is an infinitive of purpose. If you stop doing something, it means you stop that action. You stop the gerund. And that is what Duke wanted to say here. Yeah, smoking is very bad. So I stopped smoking. I don't smoke anymore. I have finished. Brilliant.
Yes?
Oh, Duke, mate, I'm putting on weight. You know, I'm getting fatter and fatter, and I want to get in shape, you know, to impress the ladies. You know what I mean? So, have you got, like, any advice?
Oh,
Yeah?
have you tried going on a diet?
Well, Duke, I tried to go on a diet, but I couldn't do it. I was hungry all the time. It was terrible.
Well, Bruce, there is an easy solution to that.
What? Ah!
Yes.
What did you do that for?
Well, Bruce, are you hungry?
No. No, I am not. What? Thanks, Dr. Duke. And thank you, science. I love science. Oh, science is great.
Oh, another happy patient. All in a day's work for Dr. Duke.
So we have try with the gerund and try with to plus the infinitive. We use try with the gerund to talk about something we are doing, usually in order to solve a problem. I tried going on a diet. I tried exercising. I tried taking supplements. I did all of these things in order to lose weight. Maybe I did lose weight and maybe I didn't. We don't know, but we do know that I did do all of these things. We use try with to plus infinitive when we are finding it very difficult to do something. I tried to go on a diet means I went on a diet, but maybe the diet wasn't successful. I could not stop eating biscuits and cakes. I tried to call you. This means I was not able to get in touch with you. My call failed. Maybe I had no minutes on my phone. Maybe my phone ran out of battery. Or maybe you hate me and so you didn't answer. And that is terrible.
Yes?
Oh, hi, Dr. Duke.
Oh, hi, Monica. I'm sorry about before.
Oh, don't be silly, sweetie. Don't worry about it. It turns out I wasn't even pregnant. It was just a towel under my shirt. I'd completely forgotten putting it there. Oh my god, I've got such a great body. Look how flat my stomach is. Chloe Ting, I'm way better than you. And you should know that, alright? Monica's better than you, Chloe Ting. I wonder what I'd look like if I were pregnant. Maybe if I put this here. Oh my god, yeah, I would be such a hot mom. I'd be so sexy if I were a mom. All the moms would want to be like me. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to ask you something. Did you shoot Bruce?
Yes, Monica. It's part of my treatment plan. Here at Dr. Duke's clinic, we always follow the science. Is Bruce drinking and eating anymore?
No, he's not. Good point. But like, next time, Dr. Duke, could you like shoot him in the head? I really hate him. Ugh.
What? You mean like this?
Oh my god, Dr. Duke, you just shot me. What are you doing? You're like the worst doctor I've ever had.
No, Monica, I'm sorry. I forgot to put the safety on.
Wow. Here we have forget plus gerund and forget plus to plus the infinitive. If you forget doing something, it means you did it in the past, but you don't remember it. The gerund occurred before the act of forgetting. We often use this with never. I will never forget spending that night with you and my pet pig. This means I did spend a great night with you and my pet pig, and it is a memory that will stay with me forever. If you forget to do something, it means you are supposed to do it, but you don't, because, well, you forget. For example, Smash English uploaded a video last night, but I forgot to watch it.
Dr. Duke, at your service.
Alright, Duke. Yeah, I've got a problem with my shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah, it hurts. I think it might have something to do with you shooting it before.
Well, have you remembered to stop eating and drinking?
Yeah, Dr. Duke, I haven't eaten anything for days.
Okay, good. Well done, Bruce. Here at Dr. Duke, we are very proud of you.
Yeah, but Duke, I can't move my arm. Are you sure you're a doctor?
Am I sure I am a doctor? Bruce, I remember writing my letter of application and everything. Of course I'm a doctor.
Okay, so what shall I do about my shoulder then? It bloody hurts. No, I'm all right. See you later, you bloody idiot. God.
Now, Bruce, where are you going? You need to finish the treatment.
Here we have remember plus the gerund, and remember plus to plus the infinitive. If you remember plus gerund, it means you have the memory of something. I remember going to school for the first time. This means I went to school for the first time at some point in the past, and now I can remember it. So the gerund comes before the act of remembering. I remember turning off the gas after cooking. This means I turned off the gas after cooking, and I am sure about this because I remember the action. Great! No one will die in a fire today. Today has been a success. If you remember plus to plus the infinitive, it means the remembering comes before the action. I remembered to turn my phone off on the plane. I remembered that I had to turn my phone off, and then I turned my phone off. Yes? Yes.
Yes?
Duke, what the bloody hell are you doing?
Toby, I'm giving people medicine. It's science.
You can't go on shooting people, you idiot.
Toby, did you see the video before? Yeah, I'm a doctor.
No, you're not. You're a moron. And now I have 2 members of staff with bad shoulders. Duke, how are they supposed to help me prepare videos now?
Well, I could have helped you, Toby, but you didn't want me. You didn't accept my job application. So I went on to become a very successful doctor. Now, if you don't mind, Toby, I've got some more patients to see.
Here we have go on plus gerund and go on plus to plus infinitive. If you go on doing something, it means you continue doing something. He went on talking about his mother for ages. Wow. Girls love men that talk about their mothers, right? If you go on to do something, it means one action finishes and another starts. So here, Duke applied for the job at Smash English and then became a doctor.
Oh, well, good job, guys. I think we're finished. Why did I agree to this video? Oh, shut up, Bruce. This was a brilliant video. The subscribers are going to love it.
Yeah, Toby, for you. I hope the €5 in ad revenue is worth it.
And with that, we are finished. Now you know everything you need to know about using the gerund and the infinitive for the B2 First Cambridge exam. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below. My name is Toby and this was Smash English.